In this calculus tutorial, I will show you guys how to write an equation of a line tangent to this curve at this point. First, what do we need to write an equation of a line? We need two things, right? The first is the slope, and second is that we need a point. We have a point right here already, that's good. Well, we have to find the slope. The slope of a tangent line, that's just the derivative. And right here, we can actually use the power rule, right? Because the question does not ask us to use the definition. So power rule for the derivative. Right here, we have y. So you can put down y prime for the derivative, or you can also put down dy dx for the derivative. Same thing, doesn't matter. Let me actually write down dy dx for the derivative. And they are all just power functions, so we can do just put this to the front and then minus 1. 3 times 2 is 6, and then x to the second power. Yeah? So do the same thing right here. This is a minus, right? You put a 2 to the front and then minus 1, so minus 2x. And what's the derivative of just a number? It's 0, right? There's no x, it's just 0. So this is the formula for the derivative. But the slope is a number. We need a derivative at what point? Here, the x value is 1. So I have to say, I have to let x equal to 1. And here's the notation that if you would like to use, I'll actually just say at x equal to 1. Let's just put that down. You know, dy dx. It's the slope. If you want, you can put down m. But this is just 6 times 1 square minus 2 times 1. And that's going to be 4. Right? So this right here is the m. Yeah, the slope. And this point, we know this is x1, y1. So right here, we can use our good old friend, the point slope form. Y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. And that's just plug in the numbers. Y1 is 3, so this is y minus 3, and that's equal to m is 4, times x minus x1, which is 1. And that's pretty much it. But most of the time, we prefer to have an equation of a line in the slope-intercept form. In another word, let's try to isolate the y. So let's distribute this real quick. Y minus 3 equals 4x minus 4. And then let's add 3 on both sides like this. And we get y equals 4x minus 1. And this right here will be the final answer. That's it.